If you want to be rich, stop chasing for money, stop thinking about money or obsessing over money. I know that sounds really backwards because everyone online is saying track every penny, hustle harder, think about money all day, and manifest money. People who actually make money do not obsess over it. Rather, they obsess over skills, giving value to people, and also solving problems. And today I'll explain to you why obsessing over money keeps you broke all the time. And you will actually feel relatable. When you obsess over money, three things happen. You choose the safe option, you start making fear-based decisions. You choose the safe option instead of smart one. You avoid investing in yourself, you delay learning skills, you underprice your work because you're scared to lose money. Rich people do not get rich by cutting everything. Instead, they get rich by earning more. For example, if you are spending on your groceries or on some clothing, then you will stress over the price of the product rather than thinking that your income has not grown over the years. What rich people obsess over instead? See, rich people, I guess Elon Musk is a perfect example. So he is obsessing over his skills, his hard work, his skills, his smart work, his hard work, and also how he is going to solve people's problem, how he's going to create solution for the problems that are there in the world. He wanted a solution for pollution. That's why he actually introduced electric vehicle and EVs are really environment friendly. That's why he created Tesla, and Tesla cars are one of the best cars and also his best businesses because he was not obsessing over money, he was obsessing over a new skill, a new solution to a new problem, and also to give value to people. That's why he has earned a lot selling Tesla cars, and you all know that. You have to create systems because rich people create systems and they are not driven by any motivational speaker or motivation because they know exactly what they need to do and when to do. They have systems in which they have automatic savings, monthly investings, repeatable business models, routines that reduce decision fatigue. They think in years, not months. They also delay gratification. And this is why people who actually go for the get rich quick schemes always stay broke. The more you chase money, the more it runs away from you. It's like a magnet, like magnets on the same side. Because money is a byproduct, it is not the goal. Money is the result of value creation, consistency, patience, skill stacking, and also problem solving. And when you shift your focus from how do I earn more money to how do I solve more problems, then if you really want to build real wealth, here's what you should focus on. Focus on increasing income, not just cutting expenses. One new skill, you can double your income. Invest in learning. Build asset, not just income. Focus on increasing income, not just cutting expenses. If you learn one new skill, it can double your income. Courses and books are not expenses, they are actually multipliers. Build assets, not just one income. Focus on different businesses, digital products, content strategy, investments. You can also create content if you have a business. Stop obsessing over money, like practically. Rather, obsess over being valuable, obsess over learning, and obsess over building systems. And obviously, money will follow because it always does. If this changed your perspective, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel if you are new and discovered this channel for the very first time. Hello, please like this video and also subscribe, and I'll see the next video, guys.